Hey, Darren and Harley with WeTJ, and we got a short video here. We want to talk about lesser grade lift kits. So, one thing that we want to discuss, and we don't hear it brought up very often, is with these lesser grade entry level lift kits. Something that's not mentioned much. And what's that?
Hardware.
That's the hardware. The hardware that comes in these kits, we'll say your entry-level lift kits, they're absolute garbage. Harley's going to show you a control arm bolt from one of these. Okay?
See, that's an Allen.
So that's an Allen. So a couple things I want to show you. This is an uncoated Allen, and I don't know what grade it is, but it's not a very high grade either. So it has no coating. It's an Allen. Why would you put an Allen on unless you're forced to? And that's very common for these entry-level lift kits. So if you're going to be wheeling and you're going to be pulling this stuff back apart, we do. You have to. I don't care what grade lift kit you have or what's going to be in. You know, okay, there's things on my Jeep that I plan on pulling back apart that come this winter.
You just did the track
It's
bar and the
maintenance.
pitman arm.
It's
So
maintenance.
it's maintenance.
You're going to bend stuff. You're going to have it apart. So with that in mind, why not have a quality piece of hardware that comes back apart that you can put back together easy? A lot of this hardware that they're sending with two particular brands, it's put it together, take it off, throw it away.
Exactly.
So that means you're going to have to go source something from TSC or somewhere else. So anyway, quick video. I don't think you're saving yourself anything by going with one of these lift kits.
And I think the thing that made us most upset about this is right now we're hacking these bolts out and welding on them. And
Not those control arm bolts, but something else.
Well, these control arm bolts, when I first took off the short arm on this, I cut these off at the head and had to beat them through with a yawl to get them out. That was stupid annoying.
You from the south, y'all?
Yeah. So right now he's working on getting the shock bolts that all broke off on us from this lift company. But either way,
we thought we were done. We were bolting the shock, getting ready to bolt the shocks up, and we realized that we still had some broke off shock bolts. But everything on this kit has came apart that way. And this Jeep has like 50-some thousand miles on it, and everything on this, and that's typical with that type of kit. That's what you're gonna get. So all right, it's getting too long.
All right,
save a couple more of your dollars. Don't be buying the Twinkies and cigarettes. And
again,
get
if you
yourself
guys
a better
see us out
kit
on the trail, make sure to flag us down. We want to see pictures of your Jeep. This is Darren and Harley with WeTJ, and we out.